given to the contractors.
Unong ilam Jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Vincent Pala ulapan pa ka jing sngaw Bynniaw jong ka seng Halor ka Jingbymlah jong ka Sorkar jela ba ka Sorkar Padang ban Pyntreikam Biang ya ka Rukom ti Dewiong kat kum ka jing start science ha ka jela. Habakren bekila patai khubor Vincent Pala ulaong bawat la omdei kat kum ka jing start science henera daipat ban sedang ya ka jing ti Dewiong hapok ka jing pet jing khmi ya ka ba ka Sorkar jela ba ka Sorkar Padang kim shimla sedang ya ka kam namar ka jing ti Dewiong bean ha ka jela kala ban kata pat ya ka jing ti Dewiong kat kum ka an.
Very sad to see that neither the BJP nor the NPP are ready to resume the mining. If they cannot do a scientific mining also, they can always do a regulated mining. So nobody wants to regulate it because if they do regulations, if they do scientific mining, then that will stop, their ATM will stop. So these illegal are the ATMs for the election, the ATMs for everything which for the business. So I think they are not interested in doing so because the economy will stop.